So today we're going to actually do the video in live time, because normally I do voiceovers. We're looking at Japanese candlesticks, which are basically a pattern reveal clue about price action. And you can easily simplify the most impactful patterns so you can trade smarter and not harder. The lesson's quite large. I mean, we've got all these different kinds of formations here. However, this is probably the most important thing we need to understand and the most popular method, as it says here, of technical analysis. From this picture here, we can see an upper wick, lower wick in both here, an open and close, a high point of the market and a low point of the market in this time interval. So each candle would be based on your time interval. And as you can see, a green candle is going to be putting you into profit, and a red candle is a down, putting you into negative. So that's the price action and the movement of each candle in each part of the chart. So you can see there are some benefits of using candlestick patterns when trading price action. Got them here. Basically, they are going to be really useful because they're simple, insightful, and really quick to interpret, which is why most traders use them. You can see some shorter candles here, which actually are really important to understand, because you can see how, as you can see, the candles are kind of defined by its length here, which is very important. We should be using discretion and review past trading periods to have a comparison. That's so important as well. The bullish Marizobi, I don't know how you pronounce that, but anyway, basically that's no wick, they're just solid bodies, and these simply show a buy signal or a sell signal, and they actually show a continuation or reversal pointing to a strong sell or buy movement. Spinning top here is very important. Small body long wicks and spinning top show the markets as an undecided and at what resistance, and you have to watch for reversals. At support, buyers might step in. The doji candlestick pattern is also very important. Basically, doji means indecision, as a dragonfly doji often symbolizing bullish reversal, whilst a gravestone doji hints at a bearish movement. And don't forget the long leg doji either, and the dramatic revealing market hesitation, which is right here. Basically, to master these patterns, you will actually unlock quite a lot of understanding of the markets and understanding of technical analysis. However, candlesticks are just use of confirmation, so you need to think in trend, support, and resistance. You can't just purely think within candles, because otherwise you will become a solely technical trader, which for some people might work. However, to develop a overall trading strategy, it's probably best to have technical and fundamental knowledge. So hopefully you found this helpful. It was a bit more difficult to record this live, but I'm going to try and learn how to do that, so we can, rather than doing voiceovers, I can just kind of run through things live for you. And hopefully you enjoy watching me go through this.